In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your text formatting in Microsoft Word. This skill is essential whether you're preparing a simple document or creating something more complex for work or school. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Word file that you want to work on. Taking this fundamental step will allow you to make the necessary modifications to your text. Having the correct file open is crucial as it ensures that all the changes you make apply exactly where you want them. Now let's move on to changing the font style and size, which are the building blocks of formatting. You'll want to locate the font group on the Home tab. Here you'll see a drop-down menu beside the font name. Click this menu to browse through a variety of font options. Choose one that best suits the tone of your document. If you're looking to adjust the font size, simply click on the number next to this drop-down and select the size that fits your needs. Larger text can help emphasize key points, while smaller text can keep your document compact. Changing the font color can also add a nice touch. Click on the font color icon that looks like an A with a colored line beneath it. Choose a color that aligns with your document's theme or purpose. Moving forward, let's talk about bolding text. Bolding can help emphasize important words or sections in your document. To do this, first select the text you wish to bold. Once selected, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard simultaneously. It's that simple. This action will make your selected text appear thicker and more prominent. Next, let's discuss how to italicize text. Italics can be used for various purposes, such as emphasizing a term or citing a name. To italicize a word or phrase, highlight the desired text and then hit Ctrl and I on your keyboard. Once applied, you'll see the text tilt slightly to the right, giving it a distinct appearance that sets it apart from the rest. Another important formatting tool is the Underline feature. It's often used to draw attention to headings or important notes. Just like with bolding or italicizing, you need to select the text you wish to underline, then press Ctrl and U on your keyboard. The text will now have a line beneath it, making it stand out. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you can change fonts, bold, italicize, and underline text in your Microsoft Word document. Mastering these basic formatting skills can significantly improve the readability and visual appeal of your documents. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy formatting!